I got these Samsung 18650s here that I'm planning to do some soldering on. These are 3000 milliamp hour packs each. I'm going to build a 12 volt battery pack with 3 of these each, and I just wanted to do some practicing before I actually went ahead and jumped in on this guy here, but I think it'll be pretty straightforward. We got a AA battery here that's dead. I'm going to practice some soldering on this thing here. This right here is a strip of nickel. This is what I'm going to use as a connection between the batteries. You can solder directly to this nickel here. Ooh, man, it's no good. Well, that's I didn't like how it moved like that. I'm gonna need to figure out a better way to hold this battery in place, and I think I'm gonna use this wooden jig here. Drill a hole in it, stick the battery in here. But this is a pretty good good solid connection there. Yeah, it's on there pretty tight. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. All right, this is a good test here. Good little practice a little soldering on this AA battery here.